Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a cool feature of LeverEdge. When you first create an account, so I'm on a blank account that I keep for stuff like this, you can enter your sales information, your product information, things like that. It's really helpful when you're talking to the agent, just like ChatGPT. If you go in there and you're asking a question that's specific, you have to give it information. Well, this is an AI agent as well, so it needs information. However, instead of doing it every time you talk to it, you can do it once. Let me show you how. Just go up to your initials up here, go to settings, all right, go to products right here, and then you add a product or service. Box comes up with the name of the product, as detailed as possible. So the more info you give this, the better off you are, and the more customized it will be. So you give it the name of the product, the description of your product. So very descriptive here. The pricing, if you want to give that, so it'll help you put together pricing and also know it'll help you be able to forecast as well. If you have pricing per seat, it can help you calculate that. Any kind of pricing. So just put the pricing in here. Features, just make sure each feature is on its own line. And then use cases, same thing here, right? So for instance, features, this is an AI agent that helps you with forecasting. It does deal probability. It spots and mitigates risk. Again, for your product, you put your features in. Use cases, where is it being used? This is for B2B sales professionals in tech. This could be for B2B sales professionals in manufacturing. There's, a lot of use cases for it. So what does your product use cases? Which ones do you have? Put them in here. All right. Next, we're going to go down to target customer. So describe your ICP or your target customer. Who are you going after? Right. For LeverEdge, it's sales professionals, right? It could be, and that could be very, um, very pointed on it and say, account execs, SDRs, BDRs, sales managers, sales directors, right? So again, target customers, I would put each one on its own line. Um, Value proposition, again, you don't have to fill these all out. I think you should because it'll help LeverEdge be able to know more and more about your product and help you in its advice and things like that. And it'll spot risk because, all right, so say you have a opportunity that doesn't line up with your value props. Well, it's going to point that out and say, this doesn't really fit into what we're doing, and it might change the way it rates your deal or gives a deal probability. And then additional details, anything else you could think of. You can copy and paste things from web pages, from white papers, whatever you need to do to give this tool as much detail as possible. It's important to do this, and it's a really cool feature that we've added recently, and we've had a lot of success with it on our team. All right, and then if you have any questions, reach out to us, and we're here to help. Thanks. Have a good day.